Hey guys, how's it going? All right, a little bit of math. If you have your koala book, book number 2, just like this, book number 2, volume 2, I'm going to be looking at page 187. 187. 100, 8 tens, 7 ones. So please find page 187. We're going to look at this really quickly. I'm going to just assign it. We'll go over number 1. And then you can do numbers 1, 2, and 3. If you want, bonus, complete the page on the back, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And that's your assignment, okay? So if we look, before we left school, we were talking about comparison bars, right? Kind of how many more, how many fewer, and whatnot. So if we look, and we look at number 1 here, it says there are 14 tigers and 8 bears. How many more tigers than bears are there? So the T is for tigers and the B is for bears. We have 14 tigers, 8 bears. We're using comparison bars to figure out how many more tigers there are. How many bears would we need to be the same as the tigers up there? So we can use the comparison bars, we can use a math mountain, or we can use our equations. Remember, addition and subtraction are related. No matter what, this number here is going to be the same number, right? So if we know 8 plus this number equals 14, 14 minus 8 equals that same number, right? The two smaller numbers equal the greater number. When we subtract, the greater number is always in the front where we subtract the lesser number. So let's do a little comparison bar here. How many more bears will we need to equal the tigers? So we'll count on. I'm going to count on here. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Well, looks like I needed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more bears to equal the tigers. I can check my answer here with my math mountain. 8. I can count on again. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I needed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more to equal 14. So that must mean 14 equals 8 plus 6, and 14 minus 8 equals 6. So I need to answer my question with 6. Now I need to make sure I label it right. My question asked how many more tigers than bears are there. So I need to make sure my label is correct. It said how many more tigers. So there are 6 more tigers than bears. So I label it tigers. So I have 6 tigers. Please try to complete that for numbers 2 and 3. And as a bonus, if you want, go on to the next page, page 188, and complete that also, okay? So we have this question about lions and camels. L meaning lions, C meaning camels. Find out what's missing here. Fill out the math mountain and the equations, and then label your answer. Same with number 3, okay, with elephants and zebras. Z for zebras, E for elephants. All right? If you need to, if you don't have this page, if you didn't get to the school, pause the video now, find a piece of paper, and try to make your comparison bars, math mountains, and equations. All right? Take a picture, send it to me, keep it in your book. Make sure you put the date here on your page, so when you do get a chance, when I get to get your book, I know when you completed the work. Okay? All right. I'll be in touch. Talk to you soon.